Jamaican book, Gwaan, Jimi. Welcome to the Jungle, written by Danielle Dowie and illustrated by Rishav, Chatterjee. Gwaan, Jimi. Welcome to the jungle. I'm Minium Gorilla with me banana bongo. Gwaan, Jimi. Welcome to the jungle. My name is Gorilla with my banana bundle. Gwaan, Jimi. No mind the smell funk. Me a the big trunk elephant, just a beard with me trunk. Gwaan, Jimi. Do not mind the smelly funk. I am a big strong elephant, just bathing with my trunk. Gwaan, Jimi. Hear me loud roar, lion, king of the pride, where the lioness them adore. Gwaan, Jimi, hear my loud roar, lion, king of the pride, the one the lionesses adore. Gwaan, Jimi, and me a the giraffe, big and tall, higher than a Rasta man, taller than a 10-foot wall. Gwaan, Jimi, I am the giraffe, big and tall, higher than a Rasta man, taller than a 10-foot wall. Gwaan, Jimi, me just a mash down some lunch. Giant panda nyam bamboo grass, and my favorite thing for munch. Gwaan, Jimi, I'm just having some lunch. Giant pandas eat bamboo grass. It is my favorite thing to munch. Gwaan, Jimi, jump like a kangaroo. Me keep me baby in a me pouch. Me can keep you in there too. Gwaan, Jimi, jump like a kangaroo. I keep my baby in my pouch. I can keep you in there too. Gwaan, Jimi, move slick like a snake. Swirl and twirl your body like icing pancake. Gwaan, Jimi, move slick like a snake. Swirl and twirl your body like the icing on a cake. Gwaan, Jimi, and me a the frog from inna the pan. Me can live in the water, me can live pan land. Gwaan, Jimi, I am the frog in the pond. I can live in water and I can live on land. Gwaan, Jimi, a time fi touch the sky. Fi spread me jankro wing them. Look how high me can fly. Gwaan, Jimi, it is time to touch the sky, to spread my jankro wings, look how high I can fly. Gwaan, Jimi, look pa me giant web. Me a the creepy crawly spider with 8 creepy crawly leg. Gwaan, Jimi, look at my giant web. I'm the creepy crawly spider with 8 creepy crawly legs. Gwaan, Jimi, me teeth them sharp like knife. Them help me in the jungle bush and live me tiger life. Gwaan, Jimi, my teeth are sharp as a knife. They help me in the jungle forest, living my tiger life. Gwaan, Jimi, catch me a swimming at the Nile. Me swim up and down the river, cause me a one crocodile. Gwaan, Jimi, catch me swimming in the Nile. I swim up and down the river because I am a crocodile. Gwaan, Jimi, they are bathing in the sun with me fluffy hippo body shaped like piece of bun. Gwaan, Jimi, I'm just bathing in the sun with my fat hippo body shaped like a piece of bun. Little more, Jimi. Next time we read again. The jungle was bare fun. See you later, my big friend. See you later, Jimi. Next time we will read again. The jungle was lots of fun. See you later, my good friend. The end.